The TLTROs are refinancing operations that provide loans to banks with a long maturity, and banks are given additional incentives to lend on the funds received. The key features of our TLTRO program are the following. We will offer 4 operations, 1 each quarter, starting June 2016 until March 2017. The maturity of the operations will be 4 years each, so that the last TLTRO II will mature in March 2021. Banks will pay the MRO rate at the time of bidding. So right now it's 0. And they may even get a reduction on that rate, which increases with the amount of loans they grant. So the maximum reduction will bring the rate on the TLTRO II to the level of the deposit facility rate at the time of bidding. The amount that banks can borrow is linked to the amount of loans they have on their balance sheet. So a bank that's very active in granting loans to the real economy can borrow more than a bank that concentrates on other activities. So the full list of features is in the press release that will be published after this press conference. So why did we decide to have another series of TLTROs? Well, some of the main reasons are loan growth in the euro area is been recovering now for quite a time, but it's still too low. Also, TLTRO II will, and we had actually a pretty successful experience with the first TLTRO, so we expect that TLTRO II will offer attractive long-term funding conditions to banks to further ease private sector credit conditions and to stimulate credit creation. I think this is quite important now. Also, it provides funding certainty. Let's not forget, it's a 4 years operation at an attractive price in an environment of increasing volatility, and also an environment of large upcoming bond redemptions, bank bond redemptions. So banks face sizable forthcoming funding needs, and so this occurs in an environment where the pricing of bank debt is volatile and uncertain. So we think that in conjunction with all the other measures, standard and non-standard in place, this TLTRO II will contribute to a return of inflation rates to an objective of close but below 2% over the medium term.